Let's eat some Oreo Cakesters. Yeah. Alright. Let's get one out of the box. Get one out of the box. Alright, got one out of the box. Now let's eat it. Shark Rabbit, can I please have one of your Oreo Cakesters? Every single time. You can never eat food. No, Yoshi, you cannot have one of my Oreo Cakesters. I just bought them today. Please, Shark Rabbit, I never had Oreo Cakesters before. The only Oreos type that I ate is the original ones, and they taste like trash. So please, can I have one of your Oreo Cakesters? Please. Let me tell you this, Yoshi. If you don't get out of my face, if you don't stop bothering me every single time I get some snacks or some fast food or whatever, then you're gonna get thrown in the trash can. But why? You know what's gonna happen next. I literally cannot eat any snacks or food. Because every single time I get food or snacks or fast food or whatever, Yoshi or the rat just always have to pop up. So yeah. So I'm just gonna eat it quick before someone else pops out and asks me for something. Oh, Shark Rabbit, can I please have one of your Oreo Cakesters, please? Yeah, so Shark Puppets, give me your cheese right now! No! I am not giving you my cheese for the last time! Finally! I can finally eat my Oreo Cakesters in peace!